Hey and welcome to today's Norwegian lesson. In this video, you'll learn how to say hello and goodbye in Norwegian, perfect for beginners. We'll also give you pronunciation tips and simple example sentences. Let's get started. Let's begin with greetings. How to say hello in Norwegian. Hei, pronounced hi. Example, hei, hvordan går det? Hello, pronounced hello. Example, hello, jeg heter Maria. Hello, my name is Maria. Good morning, pronounced god morgen. Example, god morgen, så du går? Good morning, did you sleep well? God ettermiddag, good afternoon, pronounced god ettermiddag. Example, god ettermiddag, hyggelig å møte deg. Good afternoon, nice to meet you. God kväll, good evening, pronounced god kväll. Example, god kväll, hvordan har dagen din vært? Good evening, how has your day been? You can use hi or hello in any casual situation. God morgen, god kväll, and god ettermiddag are more time-specific and slightly formal. Part 2. How to say goodbye. Now, let's look at different ways to say goodbye in Norwegian. Ha det. Bye. Pronounced ha det. Example. Ha det, vi snakkes. Bye. Talk to you later. Ha det bra, take care, have it good. Pronounced ha det bra. Example. Ha det bra, ha en fin dag. Take care, have a nice day. Vi ses, see you. Pronounced vi ses. Example. Vi ses i morgen. See you tomorrow. Farvel, farewell, formal. Pronounced farvel. Example, farvel och lycka till. Farewell and good luck. Let's quickly review everything we've learned today. Saying hello. English Norwegian. Pronunciation of the same. He, hey. Hello, hallo. Good morning. God morgen. Good afternoon. God ettermiddag. Good evening, god kväll. Bye, ha det. Take care. Ha det bra. See you, ses. Farewell, farewell. Now you try. Repeat after me. Hej. God morgen. Ha det. Hej, vi ses. Great. Saying these out loud will help you remember and sound more natural. That's it for today's Norwegian greetings. Now you know how to say hello and goodbye like a local. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Comment below what's your favorite Norwegian word so far. Barajar Tadigen ends with Tusen takk for at du så på. Ha det bra, vi ses snart. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, see you soon.